Hi, everybody, and welcome back. My name is Lori, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. And I thank you for clicking on this video. So, today in our unboxing, we are obviously, you saw it in the title, right? Okay, so this is the new Allure Beauty Box. It used to be a small white box. This looks more along the lines of your typical beauty box. And it used to be a regular box that had the gold writing and you would just lift the top off. Now we have basically what kind of looks like a normal beauty box. And Allure Beauty Box last month and all the way back when I first signed up and always has been $15 a month. And you would get 4 minis, they're trial size, and then you would get maybe 2, usually just 1 full size item out there. We're going to take a look at the products that came inside this box that is now, again, you remember, $23. I don't know. I'm seeing a lot of individuals saying the words canceled. All right. So this is the product. It's a vitamin C, and it is the Nuco, and it's, you see that there? So this is a topical C, and it says to shake it 2-3 times, blend into moisturizer, serum, or water, and apply to dry, clean skin daily. Okay. So this one here retails for $70. That is considered full size. The next one is by a company named Verso, and it's Verso Super Eye Serum. Now, eye creams, eye serums, whatever, this is going to be full size, because an eye cream, you do not use a lot of product when you're putting, the product around your eyes. So this is considered full size at $65, and you can get it at their website. This one here is as well considered full size. I don't consider it full size, but they do. And this is the little, I call it little because it is, it's a nail polish, and it's Static Nails Liquid Glass Lacquer in the color Irene. Retails for $16. Okay, now, the next one is by Dr. Jart, and it is the Ceramide Cream, and this is not a full size. This is the one of the deluxe minis. And this one retails for $48. Now it's the next one is this little Sigma liquid lipstick in the color Venom. And this is it. But this is really it. There's no way this is full size. I'm sorry, folks. This is not a full size lip product. So this is the color Venom. I did open it up because I tried to record yesterday, and everything just kind of went wrong. What could go wrong went wrong. Murphy's Law. But I did open this one, and a huge glop of product was on the doe foot and would not come off. So I had to clean the applicator, and it's doing it again. So I don't think I'll be using this at all. Yeah, that doe foot is really pulling some glop out of this little tube. So I think this might end up in the trash. It would, if it was full size, it would be $20. So, okay. The next one, I actually may want to buy or purchase the full version of it. And that's the La Roche Posay Lipo Balm AP Plus. It's this right here. Okay. Now this one's just a little small too. This one's like a little sample travel size. Okay. And it goes for $19.99 for 400 milliliters. This is only 15 milliliters. So, all right. The next product, there's only 2 more left, and this one is by Wilma Schumann, and it's the Hydrating Collagen Eye Pads. Now, here's the problem I have with this one. It's $18 for 5 applications. 5 applications are 2 pads. That means that there were 5 of these in a box. They pulled it out and they gave us 1. All right, and the last one, which happens to be for your hair. Normally on the back of this little insert right here on the back, it's usually just a space for advertising. But the last couple of months, we've gotten the product that's been advertised on the back. So I don't have a price for you on how much the full, the full size item is. But this one happens to be a Rusk Pure Mix. That's the name of the company. And it's a native fig. It's a replenishing shampoo and conditioner. So this is what we got. There's no way these packets could shampoo and condition my hair with as much hair as I have. I just showered and shampooed my hair today, and let me tell you something. The reason it's up in a little bun is because my daughter and I purchased those curlers that has a wand that goes through it, and then it pulls the hair and the little curl sticks with it. Well, we got them. Unfortunately, our hair is like 21 to 22 inches. Hers is approximately 17. And we bought the 8-inch curls. So they only went from here to here. But anyhow, I know how much shampoo I use. And I use BioSilk. So it's a big handful. There's no way I could use this and get the full benefits from it. So anyhow, it's sold at Ulta. There is a coupon to receive 20% off of your purchase here on the back. That's as much information as I have for you on this shampoo and conditioner by Rusk Pure Mix. So we're going to be saying goodbye to the last box here, but I'll continue to do other things and do much more trash talk. I've got a couple of those coming up. And so it's, I believe, Trash Talk 4, 5, or 5 and 6. I'll have to check. But I'm also going to be doing some Get Ready With Me and some makeup I forgot I had. And makeup, for the love of peanuts and cheese, they're sitting there and I haven't even touched them. So I turn around sometimes, I pull a bucket out, I open a drawer, and I think, are you kidding me? I didn't even know that was there. So we're going to be doing let's put on some makeup, check out some of these products that I do have that I don't remember even getting. And we'll just have a little bit of fun. And it'll take up the slot for the Allure Beauty Box for October 2020. All right, you guys, thank you so much for sitting down with me and going over this. I know it may have been a little bit longer than I'm wanting to do and you're willing to sit through, but nevertheless, a decision had to be made. And I wanted you guys to know why I made the decision I made to cancel. So you guys give this video a thumbs up and please do me a favor, hit that red subscribe button over there. It will let you know that if notifications, it will let you know when I upload my next video. So you guys take care. Have a wonderful evening. All right, you guys, I'll see ya in my next video. Bye, 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 bye. See you later.